Hello, welcome back our channel. Before watching the video, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.
Hello, what are the changes that come to the new driving learner's license test? This is what we are going to look at today. Welcome our channel. What is CAPTCHA? CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. It is essentially a challenge response that test used in computing. The system presents a challenge that a human can generally solve easily but that a computer program board finds difficult. It's sometimes described as a reverse Turing test because instead of asking can a machine pretend to be human, it asks is this user human, not a machine. Purpose: why it exists. One major reason is block automated bots from abusing online services. Example: spamming comment forms, registering fake accounts, scrapping data. It helps websites maintain security and integrity, stop bots from doing things like mass registrations, automatic posts, brute force logins, etc. In short, ensure that certain actions are done by humans, not script. How it works: basic principle. The server website present a challenge. Example: distorted text message, image selection task, checkbox, I am not a robot, etc. The user must solve it correctly. Type text, select correct image, click box and submit. If solved correctly, the server infers that user is likely human and allows the action. If not, the action is blocked or another challenge is used. Under the hood, the challenges is selected because it's easy for humans but hard for automated programs, bots, to reliably solve. Types of CAPTCHA. 1. Text-based CAPTCHA. Distorted letters or numbers is an image, user types them in. Second one, image
പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ
recognition
ലഭിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
CAPTCHA.
Thanks for watching.
User select image matching a criterion, select all square with traffic lights. Checkbox, no CAPTCHA approaches. Example, user simply tick a box. I am not a robot, while the backend risk engine analyze behavior. Audio CAPTCHAs. For accessibility, an audio challenge is given to users who are visually impaired. Fourth one, script-based or behavioral CAPTCHA. Invisible to user, system analyze users' interaction to decide if human. Benefits: helps reduce bot-driven abuse of verb forms and online services, maintain service quality by blocking automated attacks, relatively lightweight to implement. Many service provided ready-made CAPTCHA systems can improve user experience when implemented well. Drawbacks and challenges: accessibility issue, user frustration, bots may bypass false negatives or false positives, it's not authentication. In short, CAPTCHA is widely used security measure to help distinguish human users from bots via automated test. It's not foolproof, but when implemented well, it adds a meaningful barrier to automated abuse. For users, it often means solving this small puzzle so the site knows I am human. For developers and security teams, means balancing friction with effectiveness, accessibility, usability, and evaluability. This is CAPTCHA. So, what are the changes that came to the new driving learner's license test? Let's see what the changes are in the new learner's license test 2025. In the first learner's test, you would pass if you got 12 correct answers out of 20 questions. There were also 3 options. However, with the new change, you must provide 80 correct answers out of 30 questions to pass. Only 30 seconds are allowed for each question. This is the second change. The third change is that there are 4 options for each question. The biggest change is this CAPTCHA. It was not there before. You have to enter the CAPTCHA after every 3 questions. If that is correct, then the next question. And the given time or your exam will end there. You cannot continue. Recently, 90 out of 100 people who took the exam failed for this reason. But according to the current price announcement, it is said that there has been a change in this, that is in the CAPTCHA, and that there will only be a limited number of questions. There has been no official confirmation. Each question says 4 options, 30 seconds for 30 questions, and 80 answers to win. These are the question you are asking.
Remember, the captchas have not completely changed. There will be a small captcha changes in the question. If I will let you know when more updates come. I'm giving some captchas here. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.